They live here with me.
Hey, Pat, where's the wheelchair ramp?
Oh, we don't have one. I guess this is where you get off.
Jumba, Boomba, gobbledygook. Life isn't fair, it's sad, but it's true. Jumba, Boomba, gobbledygook. When your four legs are stiff as a tree. What do you do when you're stuck in a chair? Finding it hard to go up and down stairs. What do you think of the one you call God? Isn't his absence slightly odd?
Maybe he's forgotten you.
Jumba, Boomba, gobbledygook. Count yourself lucky you're not a horse. They would turn you into dog food. Or to Jumba, Boomba, gobbledygook.
I'm glad I'm not taking your stupid tour. I'm a chorus man anyway. Silver bullet.
Gobbledygook.